Hello guys, in this episode, which is step 3 on how to make a Discord bot in Python, we'll be going over commands. So what is a command? A command is when a piece of code executes when you type it in your Discord chat, in your Discord server. So let's say I type in a command and it executes whatever's inside the command. So in this episode, we'll be going over how to make the ping command and how to make the 8-ball command. All right, so it starts off with this at client.command, and then we'll just end the parentheses there. Asynchronous definition, as the usual, just like a client, just like an event, but instead we'll be writing ping. So this is going to be our command name, ping. So we just have to add ctx. So this is something new. So instead of like this kind of stuff where you say on member, remove member, and this stuff, here it says this is going to be the client. This is going to be the command what you have to type in after the prefix that we defined up here. And this is just a context, which just says that, oh, this, that. So now we're going to write await. Await is just another way of saying send it inside the channel. Await ctx.send. So it sends inside that channel, which it detects as the context. So we're going to make an f string here, and you should know what f strings are if you know basic Python. So f string, we're just going to write pong. Pong with exclamation mark. A little mistake there. That's okay. And then we're going to do in curly braces, we're going to round it. And then we're going to say client dot latency. So this just finds a latency. So what the whole point of this command is to find the latency of what is happening. And so if you do the ping command, it's going to show the latency of when the bot responds to when you say the command. So this just gauges how your bot is running between your computer and the Discord servers. So now how do we make this into milliseconds? So then we're just going to multiply that by 1000. Right, so this will make it to milliseconds, and so we'll just say ms at the end just to make sure that we are putting in milliseconds. And so if we run this bot right now, and we'll wait for the bot is ready. And so now that we're in bot testing, we will say exclamation mark ping. And so this is the prefix that we defined, and this is the command that we are putting, ping, pong. And you can see it says 88 milliseconds, and that is our latency. A good latency is anything under 100 milliseconds. In this case, it is, and so that's pretty good. I've seen some bots have something over like 105. That's also decent, but yeah, the faster the better, as they say. All right, so now if we go back here, and we can do another command, which is called 8-ball. So we can do the same thing at client.command with the parentheses, asynchronous definition, 8-ball. As you can see here, 8-ball is not valid. As you can see, it says identifier expected. So what you can do here is you can add an underscore just to make sure that it is a valid name. This name is the same thing as a variable name. You have to follow the same rule sets that a variable has. So it cannot start with the number, but it has to start with any other letter. All right, so then we're going to do this ctx, but instead we're going to add another one. We're going to add an asterisk, and we're going to add question. So what this means, what the asterisk means is it's going to take in multiple arguments as one argument, which is a question. So question is what you're going to make. If you had just question, it'll only take one word. But if you add the asterisk, it'll take multiple words and characters. So now we can write possible responses inside inside a list, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I am back. I've gotten these sort of responses here. And so these responses you can easily find up online. These are just something that I found. You can always add to these, you can always make them less. So this one is a no, this is like a maybe and too hard to tell. These two are like yes, these two are no. And so just kind of like this, you can kind of space it out. But inside the indent, we'll write await, the same thing as above. We're going to await it, ctx.send. And so it's the same thing up here. We're going to send it inside the channel that you are giving me the command to run. And so we're going to write random.choice, because from the random module, which we imported up here. Oh no, we didn't import it, my bad. So we're going to import random, first of all. So from this module, we will say random.choice, and we're going to put possible responses. Possible responses. And so what this means is it's going to take a random choice between these 5 responses that I've put inside this list, these 5 things, and I'm going to take it and put it into a string. And so now I'm just going to do plus a comma plus, so this is just string formatting here. And here we do ctx.message.author.mention. And so what this means is that it's gonna mention the author that says, oh, give me a response to this question. So that's what it's gonna do here. All right. So now if we run this, we should see that when the bot is up again. All right, there it is. So now if we go in here, we can write question, 8-ball. Oh, we missed one thing. So under here, we can do aliases, which means just give it another way to say, because no one's going to write underscore 8-ball. Am I right? So in aliases, we can just write 8-ball under quotations. And what this means is that it'll just run this word, this set of characters, as your command as well. So now if we just rerun it, that was my bad here. Alright, so now that my bot is ready, we'll go into Discord and we'll write exclamation mark, which is our prefix, 8-ball. Is my video going to get many views? Let's just say. That is a resounding no. Well, that sucks. Alright, and so to fix this problem of not having spaces, we can go back into our code and say, just add a space at both ends of the comma. And so that's just a wrap up here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and smash that subscribe button. In the next episode, we'll be going over the clear command, and till then, catch you on the flip side.